Welcome back, Crimsons, to another episode of the WMSU Specials. This is me again, Carl Richard C. Dagalea. It's summertime already, and this is a perfect time for us to make our bodies sweat. And as you can see, we are here at the University Fitness Gym, where we can actually improve even our fitness to be able to work better and provide better services to our clientele. And to talk more about the benefits or the services offered in this fitness gym, here we have the University Sports and Fitness Gym Instructor, Mr. Jesbert Abad.
Turn it up!
This fitness facility is created to enhance the health and wellness of our faculty, admin personnel, and especially to the students of Western Mindanao State University. The different services offered are weight loss training program, weight gain, individual sports related programs for our varsity athletes in our university. If you are interested to come and do your workout in our fitness facility, you can come and visit us at WMSU Gymnasium, room number 9 or 10, open from 8 to 5 p.m.
And that is for today's episode. Again, this is Carl Richard C. Dagalea for WMSU Specials. See you on our next episode.